Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to make iPhone flash when it receives a text message. So whenever you receive a text message, you want to make your iPhone flashlight show. So here is the fix. Here is how to do it. Go to settings and tap on accessibility. Tap on audio and visuals. Now find and tap on LED flash for alerts. Scroll down. Here LED flash for alerts. Now you can choose flash while unlocked or flash in silent mode. You can choose these both settings, and if your flashlight still does not work, ensure that message notification are enabled. For this, go to settings page and tap on messages, tap on notification and ensure allow notification is turned on. So that's it. Thanks for watching.